Hello everyone, I am Professor A.B. Zanzar from Kekewa College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology Nasik, working in Department of Irrigation and Drainage Engineering. Today's my video lecture on the components of lift irrigation scheme. The design of various components of the lift irrigation system are highly situation specific. The detailed investigation of the site, including river flow characteristics, topography, and the climatic conditions, mainly rainfall characteristics, will enable the development of the system which best suits the requirement and provides the maximum possible economy in installation and operating costs. Now, the main structural components of the lift irrigation system are first intake structure, intake pipe, jack well, sump well, pump house, rising main and accessories, delivery chamber, distribution chamber, on-farm auto distribution system. The pumping system equipment comprises of pumps, electric motors, engines, electrical accessories and fittings, transformer and power connection, and the protective devices. Now, first is intake structure. The intake structure means intake well. An intake well is a small diameter well constructed in the river near its bank to direct the river water and delivered it into the jack well or sump well through an intake pipe. The intake pipe the intake pipe connects the intake well to the jack well or sump well. It diverts the water which is collected in the intake well and it diverts this water into the jack well or sump well. The next component of the lift irrigation system is jack well. The jack well are usually associated with high head vertical turbine and submersible pumps. A jack well is constructed on a high ground. In the jack well, the pump house is located on the well itself. Then sump well. Sump well is a well near the river bank which having the pump house near to the well or on the ground surface. The basic difference between the sump well and jack well is the is of the construction of the pump house. If the pump house is constructed on the well itself, the well is called as jack well, and if the pump house is constructed near the well, then it is called as sump well. Then the rising main. The rising main is the pipeline conveying the pump discharge or the water to the distribution chamber or delivery chamber under hydrostatic pressure. Then next component is delivery chamber. The rising main should discharge into a masonry or concrete delivery chamber. When the water distribution is through underground pipelines, then the delivery chamber comprises of a junction box provided with control all at the head end of the pipeline. Delivery chamber or distribution chamber means the chamber or structure which receives the water which is pumped by the pump house and it is delivered to the chamber by the rising main, and this water is distributed to farm or command area from the distribution chamber or delivery chamber. Then the on farm auto distribution system, the system which available on the farm to provide the water to the crops. To get more videos related to agriculture and agricultural engineering, subscribe the channel AgroNears. Thank you.